We are welcoming for a new episode of College Review. We will talk about a more important university of Bengaluru, that is S. Vyasa University. S. Vyasa University, IST Bangalore campus. S. Vyasa University in collaboration with Intellipath. Today we'll talk about the S. Vyasa University location, faculty, infra, ROI, strength and weakness and many more. So if you have not applied for this S. Vyasa University till now, then you can apply free of cost. We do have a coupon code. With that coupon code you can fill free of cost form. And if you have already applied and want to take admission in this S. Vyasa University, then we do have the pass out students or the current students name and number, so that you can contact to these students and get to know each and everything about S. Vyasa University. Also, you have my number on the screen. You can call me anytime so that I'll explain you each and everything about this particular university. S. Vyasa University is giving you BTech program, BTech in computer science and full stack robotics. This university UGC approved, Union Grant Commission approved, NAC A+ university with academic support from Intellipath School of Technology. Bengaluru, they have a good location in Bengaluru. Bengaluru in high-tech city. Bengaluru is a high-tech city. So number of job opportunities in Bengaluru as compared to other cities is much higher. So if you are looking for admission in BTech program, you should look for Bangalore location, and S. Vyasa is a good option for you. This university is NAC A+ accredited university. Campus located inside 120 acres tech park. This campus location is very good. Campus infrastructure is also one of the best infrastructure you have seen in Bengaluru campus. अगर आपको वीडियो देखना है, देन हमारे चैनल पे एक वीडियो भी डाला हुआ है जिसमें मैंने सारे कैंपस को दिखाया है, 1 by 1 क्लासरूम से लेके इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से लेके each and everything I have mentioned there. Eligibility criteria is education qualification 60 in your 10th and 12th PCM from recognized board. Entrance exam is must. Intellipath National Eligibility Test IST qualifies the interview. Applicants must clear the interview. Age limit is applicant must be 2023 or 24 2025 pass out. This is the terms and condition of this university. Fee structure is almost 17 lakh for the whole 4 year. This is the semester wise fees. You can have a look of this fee structure, and there is some scholarship also. 17 lakh is a fees, but they are giving you some scholarship based on your merit, scholarship based on your JEE marks और your past academics. तो इस तरह से आपको कुछ स्कॉलरशिप भी मिल जाएगी. उस स्कॉलरशिप के लिए आप हमें हमारे गिवन नंबर पे भी कभी भी कॉल कर सकते हैं और पूछ सकते हैं कि आप किस रेंज में आते हैं, कितनी स्कॉलरशिप आपको बनती है. प्रोग्राम बेनिफिट इंडस्ट्री डिज़ाइन करिकुलम है. अर्न ए बीटेक डिग्री. 4 साल के बाद आपको NAC A+ यूनिवर्सिटी से बीटेक डिग्री मिलेगी. लर्न फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट. योर टीचर आर इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपर्ट्स. गेट सर्टिफाइड बाय द IHUB IIT Roorkee. लाइव क्लासेस फ्रॉम IIT Roorkee. गेट सर्टिफाइड बाय द Microsoft. क्रिएट प्रोडक्ट दैट मैटर्स. वर्क ऑन प्रोडक्ट दैट सॉल्व रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम. ग्लोबल एलुमनाई नेटवर्क. 18-month internship. Immersive learning visits. Global immersion. Innovation and entrepreneurship hub. And Gen Z campus. This is the few highlight for the university. Global immersion is there, but that is for the extra cost. Visit MNC, attend CTO meet and tech conclave. Global immersion program is in Singapore, Dubai and Malaysia. A legacy of this university learners, past legacy is 30 lakh LPA is the freshers package, 95% satisfaction score, 3100 plus hiring partner and 3 lakh learner trained. Their alumni works in the 20,000 companies like Apple, CGI, CRAD, Deloitte, Ericsson, Adobe, Infosys, IBM, Netflix and blah blah blah. There are many companies who are regularly coming for the industrial visits, regularly coming for the summer training and regularly coming for the final placements also. This is the few highlights. If you want to know more about strength and weakness of the university, strength, university location is very good. University campus is one of the beautiful campus in the Bangalore city. If you talk about the weakness, बहुत पुरानी यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं है, शायद पहला या दूसरा बैच ये यूनिवर्सिटीज़ का. कुछ और भी वीकनेस है, कुछ और भी स्ट्रेंथ है, तो आप उसके लिए आप हमें कभी भी कॉल या व्हाट्सअप कर सकते हैं. इस यूनिवर्सिटी को किसी और यूनिवर्सिटी से कंपेयर कराना है, इस यूनिवर्सिटी का फॉर्म भरना है, पास आउट स्टूडेंट के नाम और नंबर चाहिए, या किसी और यूनिवर्सिटी को किसी और यूनिवर्सिटी से कंपेयर करना है तो भी आप हमें हमारे गिवन नंबर पर कभी भी कॉल या व्हाट्सअप कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।